Imagine yourself in this GMC 2021 Sierra 1500 SLT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: preferred equipment group 4SA, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, not equipped with dynamic fuel management, wheels, 18x 8.56 spoke machined aluminum, 20x9 polished aluminum wheel, front 40/20/40 split bench seat, front bucket seats and perf leather appointed front outboard seat trim. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.